Yes, he was my celebrity crush. I'm watching it. Mr. Chris. Pwede. Char lang. Or sana may nakita akong comment. And actually, they all have one thing in common. But I'm gonna explain to you guys kasi feeling ko masya-shock kayo. Okay, okay, okay. I saw the comments. Kinikilig din ako actually. And I'm gonna explain kasi baka parang, ha? Bakit ganun? Baka magano kayo. Ano ba yan? Comment kayo. I'm having fun watching it. Uy! Uy! Okay, so, yung celebrity crush. Ewan ko if nasabi ko na ba to, but actually si ano. Si... And I will explain. Wait lang. My celebrity crush is si Sir Ian Veneracion. But not like, ano, like, like I admire them na more like that. It's more like, oh, I admire them. It's baka yung iba, like, yung perception nila sa crush is like yung pursuing type na, okay, this is my crush, so I'm gonna make an action. Yeah, parang ganun, like, no, 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 no. It's more like admiration. Somewhat crush din. But, you get me? So, yeah. So, it's, sino nga nasabi ko? Ian Veneracion, Sir Ian Veneracion, Richard Gutierrez, Sir Zarkar Zaklav, Sir Chris, ano, special celebrity si Sir Chris, okay? That is the husband of Coach Anna. Coach Anna, if you're watching or if you might see this video, alam naman ni Coach Anna and ni Sir Chris actually. But yeah, and I explained to everyone here, and the reason why I know, and have you guys guessed it? What are their, common denominator? What are their, ano yung ano nila, pagka-same nila? What do you think is a common denominator? May tama. They, if I don't know, mustache. 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 Ano? Ano ba yan? Grabe, dad bod agad. Siya, kung gabi naman ko sa sugar daddy, uy, gabi sa doon. Ang sang so, gabi sa mo, eh. Gabi naman. Hindi. Gabi mo ba ano na isipin yun. The common denominator, and that's why sila yung parang same sila na vibes, is because, I don't know if you know this, pero all of them are fathers, and hindi naman sa crush ko yung mga tatay. Hindi naman. Pero it's because of their traits. And I see kasi na, they know how to treat their wives very well. It's their maturity. They know how to treat their wives very well, their kids very well. They're family oriented. You know that is really number one. Family oriented, and it gives me that assurance kasi. So parang I want. That's why I really want those kind of traits because it gives me an assurance and security na I feel home. Because, di ba? That's why they have a home. Home, aka family, because their families are home because of those traits that they have. So, ayun. And, yes. They're my crushes.